Are you dreaming of turning your backyard into a paradise? Look no further. Introducing the Desert Springs, our breathtaking fiberglass swimming pool with a unique freeform design. It's not just a pool, it's a destination for endless fun and relaxation. Imagine stepping into the shallow end, where a beach entry tanning ledge awaits. Perfect for soaking up the sun or splashing around with the little ones. And that's just the start. Now, let's talk about extending those swimming days. With our attached spa, you can enjoy your San Juan Pool from early spring to late fall. Think of all the extra pool parties and relaxing evenings under the stars. Worried about space? Don't be. The Desert Springs is a space-savvy wonder, needing only 295 square feet and holding 6,800 gallons. It's perfect for compact backyards, turning them into an oasis of joy. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.